Hi, welcome back. On today's lecture series, we are going to see about the transformers. So the first topic is the construction, working, and the different types of single-phase transformer. So first of all, we should know what is a transformer. Normally, a single-phase transformer, it is an electrical device which is used to transfer the used to transfer the energy from one place to another place without changing the frequency. Normally, this transformer is also called a static device because the transformer it does not contain any moving parts. Normally, the transformer which is used to reduce the voltage or to increase the voltage, so without changing the frequency level. So what is a single phase transformer? So a transformer which is used to convert the magnetic energy into the electrical energy. The magnetic energy is converted into the electrical energy. It consists of two electrical coil. One is called primary, which is connected with the source, and another one is called secondary, which is connected with load. The primary winding of transformer, it receives the power from the source, while the secondary winding, it delivers the power to the load. Okay, so the magnetic iron circuit is called core, which is commonly used to wrap around these coils, which is used to connect with both primary as well as secondary windings. An electric current when passed through the primary of the transformer, then the magnetic field which is created in the primary winding. The induced voltage across the secondary of the transformer. So based on the type of application, a single phase transformer is used for either step up or step down the voltage at the output. So the principle behind the operation of single phase transformer is based on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So the main thing is mutual induction between the primary and secondary winding, which is the most responsible to produce the electrical energy in the secondary coil. So the construction of a single phase transformer, there are two types. So this is called an core type transformer. So here, this is the primary winding. This primary winding is connected with the source, and this is the secondary winding, and this will be connected with the load. So the both primary and secondary winding, which is connected via, this is called magnetic core, which is made up of silicon steel material, and these are the number of turns in the primary side, and these are the number of turns in the secondary side. Just you can compare the both number of turns in the primary as well as secondary. The primary number of turns is greater than the secondary number of turns, so that it is called step down transformer. Okay, so while giving the power supply to the single phase transformer of the primary winding is getting energization, and it produces magnetic flux. The produced magnetic flux, it will be circulated through this magnetic core, that is nothing but core circuit, and the produced flux, it will be passed to the secondary of the winding, so that here the EMF will be induced. Because of this induced EMF, there will be a generated current in the output side, secondary coil, and this voltage and current will be taken into the load. So this is the operation, and this is the schematic diagram of a core type transformer. Here in the core type transformer, it has only one magnetic path. But if we go for the shell type transformer, it has two magnetic paths. Okay, so here the produced flux, it will be circulated in the right clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. So here it has two magnetic paths, but in the core type, it has only one magnetic path is there. Okay, and so if here in core type transformer, here there are two limbs, one is here, another one is here. So the both primary and secondary winding will be different two limb. But in shell type transformer, there are three limb, okay la. So out of which, so both the primary and secondary winding, both the primary and secondary winding will be in the center limb. So first of all, in the center limb, we have to provide the laminating shield. After that, we have to provide the primary winding. After that, one sheet will be provided, insulating sheet will be provided. Again, that after that, we are providing the primary winding. Again, the insulation material, insulating sheet will be overlapped on the winding. Okay. So during this process, when we are the primary winding, when it is connected with the source, the primary winding is getting energization and it produces magnetic flux. The produced magnetic flux, it will be circulated across the magnetic core. So during this time, it induces the voltage in the secondary winding, and that will be taken into the load. Okay. And these are the few applications of a single phase transformer, which is used in the home inverter, non-urban area, and it is for voltage regulations and CD player, DVD player, and FM radio, so etc. Okay, and this is an assessment. A transformer, it transforms either voltage, current, and both voltage and current, or power. So put your answer in the comment section, and these are the few references. Thank you.